Hello friends, in this topic we are going to study the electrical component. What is electrical engineering, what is the need of electrical system, and how we develop the electrical component through mathematical modeling. Here we have many energies which we convert in the many different energy. Like if we have cool, we will be using thermal power plant, and through electrical system we can use in welding, heating, electrolytic process, in motor, illumination. Same nuclear power plant, same solar power plant, same wind power plant, same tidal power plant, same hydro power plant. We have many energies which we will convert for our regular work like welding, heating, electrolytic, motor, illumination. The one thing very important is whatever we are converting the energy from one form to another form, we are using electrical system. The first question comes in my mind: why? Why electrical system? I will give you two example why electrical system. First one is hydro power plant. We are understanding here the hydro power plant, in which we are converting the potential energy of water running in the river to direct motor. So we cannot directly convert this potential energy into your mechanical energy. So what will we do? We will just convert this potential energy to electrical system, then from electrical to mechanical system, or welding or heating, we can utilize this energy in the form of electrolytic process, motor and illumination. The second one is your thermal power plant. Second one is your thermal power plant. Let us assume we are having few thousand kilos of coal and we want to run the AC of our room. So what we will do? We have two options. The first one is to bring the coal here, and then through generator we can run our motors and electrical machines. And the second one is through transmission system, in which we will be bringing here in the form of electrical system. 1000 kilometers from here we are generating electrical power, then we are transmitting through transmission line, and we are running all those electrical system. Then this, among these two, which is better? So the second one is better on the behalf of first one is your reliability basis. We cannot rely on the transport, and the second one is economical. The electrical system through transmission is more reliable and more economical. Coming to the electrical system, we will be having one generator through which we will be converting one form of energy to electrical. Then we will be having transmission line through which we will be sending electrical power from one destination to another destination. And here is your load. Most of the load will be in the form of mechanical and in some form of your chemical. So what we are doing, we are generating here and we are transmitting, and then here at another place we are consuming the electrical power. So what is it? This is kind of your circuit, and generator, if we will model the generator, then this will be expressed as one source, and if we will model the load, then it can be represented as your R, L and C. We have example, if we will do the mathematical modeling of your fan, example, real example fan, then it has if we are doing the mathematical modeling of your fan, then it can be converted into your R, L and C. Here I repeat, in generator we will be having one source and one inductor. So this is the electrical circuit we are studying, and in the circuit we will be having few sources and few loads. We can divide electrical system into two parts. The first one is your electrical engineering and second one is your electronics engineering. Then the question comes in our mind that what is the difference between electrical and electronics? Why we are differentiating electrical system? So electrical engineering and electronics engineering. Suppose we have one washing machine. There is two kind of washing machine. The first one is your semi-automatic and the second one is your fully automatic. The semi-automatic, do we need any kind of controlling circuit? No. But in case of pure automatic, we will be having some controlling unit. So wherever the controlling unit comes, that will be the part of your electronic engineering, and where actual real work is happening, that is your electrical. Like the one in washing machine which is measuring the water level, setting the time, is all of your electronics part, and the running part, the motor running, is your what? Electrical engineering. In the same way, the cooler is your electrical device, but you will talk about AC. Then AC has to measure the temperature, then it will have to set whatever you want to set. So that will be your what? Pure automatic. So here is the main difference between your electrical and electronics. Thank you.